Hoy vas a practicar tu listening en 5 minutos, con una historia corta pero divertida y llena de vocabulario nuevo. Recuerda que puedes bajar la velocidad al video y activar los subtítulos en español. Empecemos.
The Tale of Turtle and Heron. Once upon a time, in a beautiful and peaceful forest, lived a group of animals who were the best of friends. There was a wise old turtle named Tina, a clever heron named Harry, a cheerful squirrel named Sally, and a charming rabbit named Ricky. They were inseparable, and together, they lived a life filled with laughter, joy, and love. One sunny day, while the friends were playing by the river, they saw a flyer announcing a talent show in the forest. The grand prize was a delightful picnic dinner and a romantic moonlit dance by the lake. Everyone was excited, and they all agreed to join the contest. They decided to put on a comedy act that would surely make everyone laugh and win the grand prize. As they started planning their performance, they realized they needed a funny and romantic story to tell. So, they decided to create a tale about a princess who had been transformed into a rabbit and a prince who had been turned into a turtle. The only way for them to break the curse and return to their true forms was to make the grumpy Queen Sparrow laugh. In their act, the friends would take turns narrating the story while acting out the various characters. Tina, being the wise old turtle, would play the cursed Prince Turtoise, while Sally, the cheerful squirrel, would play Princess Benella, the rabbit. Harry, the clever heron, would play the role of the wise and mysterious mentor, and Ricky, the charming rabbit, would play the grumpy Queen Sparrow. As they practiced, Tina and Harry found themselves drawn to each other. They laughed at each other's jokes, admired each other's talents, and shared a common love for the forest and its inhabitants. They spent hours talking and enjoying each other's company, and as the days went by, they realized they were falling in love. The big day finally arrived, and the forest was buzzing with excitement. The animals gathered around the stage, eager to see the various acts. The friends were nervous but determined to give their best performance. As they began their act, they could feel the audience's anticipation and excitement. Tina, as Prince Turtoise, narrated the story with a deep and dramatic voice, while Sally, as Princess Benella, acted with grace and humor. Ricky, as the grumpy Queen Sparrow, managed to make everyone laugh with his exaggerated expressions and perfect timing. And Harry, as the wise mentor, delivered his lines with wit and charm. The audience roared with laughter at their comedic performance. They were captivated by the unfolding love story between Prince Turtoise and Princess Benella. As the act continued, the friends incorporated their own feelings into their performance, making the story even more heartfelt and genuine. At the end of the performance, Tina and Harry shared a tender moment on stage, gazing into each other's eyes. They could no longer hide their feelings, and as the story reached its climax, they leaned in for a gentle, loving kiss. The audience gasped in delight and surprise, and the grumpy Queen Sparrow, played by Ricky, could not help but laugh, breaking the curse in their tale. The friends took a bow as the audience applauded, and it was clear that they had won the talent show. As promised, they were awarded the grand prize, a delightful picnic dinner by the lake and a moonlit dance. The other animals congratulated them, and the entire forest celebrated their victory. Under the moonlit sky, Tina and Harry, the turtle and heron, finally confessed their love for each other. They danced gracefully by the lake, surrounded by their friends, who were overjoyed to see them happy together. The animals cheered and laughed, filling the forest with a warm, joyful atmosphere. As the night went on, Tina and Harry's love for each other seemed to spread throughout the entire forest. Even the grumpiest of creatures couldn't help but smile as they watched the two lovebirds dance under the moonlight. The rest of the animals joined in the celebration, dancing and laughing together in perfect harmony. At the end of the evening, the friends gathered around the picnic blanket, relishing the delicious feast they had won. They shared stories of their adventures and dreams, each of them grateful for the beautiful friendships they had formed. As the moon began to set, and the first rays of the sun peeked through the trees, the animals decided to call it a night. They said their goodbyes, each returning to their homes with hearts filled with happiness and love. From that day on, the forest was forever changed. The love between Tina and Harry had sparked a newfound sense of unity and harmony among the animals, and laughter and joy became a constant presence in their lives. The friends continued to go on adventures, exploring the wonders of the forest and sharing their stories with all who would listen. And so, the tale of Turtle and Heron was passed down through generations, becoming a beloved story among the animals of the forest. It was a tale of love, friendship, and laughter, reminding everyone who heard it that even the most unlikely of couples could find happiness and love in each other's company. In the end, the animals learned that love could overcome any obstacle, and that laughter and friendship were the keys to a happy life. And the forest, once a quiet and peaceful place, was now filled with the joyous sounds of laughter and love, thanks to the unforgettable tale of Turtle and Heron.
Si te gustó el video, no olvides darle un me gusta y suscribirte para seguir aprendiendo inglés en 5 minutos. Hasta la próxima.